What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. It has been quite a while since I was last here, but it is my last visit for Kumba. That's right, the ride was announced that it is closing August 2nd, and I'm going to get my last ride today and check out anything else that's going on around the park. They did announce a new ride is going to be built after Kumba called Kumba's Revenge, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! Now we are heading into the Egypt area of the park, and we have Stranglewood Realty. So we have a haunted house here for Hallow Scream. This has been here the last couple years, but I love the facade on this thing. Looks awesome. Cobra's Curse. And then we got Montu. I really want to do Montu, so that's where I'm heading now. And here we go. It says a 10-minute wait. We'll see. And it's a station wait. Not bad. So just got done with Montu. That thing is running stupid intense. Rode back row. Good ride. It's one of the best ones in Florida, if not the United States. Only thing that was a bummer, one train. Ouch, that hurts. There's Cheetah Hunt. And right now, showing an 85-minute wait. Yeah, no thanks. I see a murder floof. Tuxedo Birds. I have not seen you guys in forever. I literally cannot tell you the last time I saw a pink chicken. That's gonna change right now. There they are. There's my pink chickens. Yes.
If you look at his nose, it looks like a hawk.
Some big tortoises. Over that direction is Edge of Africa. and the brand new Lion and Hyena Ridge. If you'd like to check it out, watch our other video that we just posted recently from the media event. Serengeti Flyer, the S&S swing is over this way, as well as the water portion of Cheetah Hunt. Animal Care Center, and directly across from it, we have the land manatees. Now we are heading over into the Pantopia area of the park, where Falcon's Fury is, and Phoenix Rising. Falcon's Fury will not be in operation today, unfortunately. They are working on the ride. The last time I was here, all of these seats and harnesses were off. Now, they're all back on, and they have test dummies in them. And the gift shop right next to Phoenix Rising, we have some new shirts here. So we have Cheetah Hunt right here and Iron Gwazi. We also have new Phoenix Rising shirts, and I say new because I haven't been here in so long. And then we also have the on-ride photos right there too. Photo opportunity spot, and that one is for Hollow Scream coming up soon. And then over here, this is where Scorpion used to be, and now we have work walls up around the whole site. So once again, Scorpion is all gone. Hearing rumors that we're getting a new water ride, considering Stanleyville Flume is gone. And there's a big plot of land pretty much all the way over here, including Scorpion. And that is separate from Kumba's Revenge. So 2 possible attractions coming in the next couple years. Feels so weird not seeing the Flume over here anymore. Phoenix Rising, currently showing a 30-minute wait. A little bit busier over here. You guys might remember from our previous updates a long time ago, we had a marking, and it's still here, right there. Bumper cars here, and we are almost to Kumba. Again, ride's going to be closing on August 2nd, and this is my last visit, so my last rides are happening right now. And over here we have a photo opportunity spot showing off the last rides for Kumba. Kind of neat. So we just did our last ride on Kumba. Good ride. Sad to see it go, but I do think it is time for it to finally say bye-bye. And the reason being, we got Kumba's Revenge, and I wanted to talk about that a little bit. So it's a $100 million project. We're not talking the ride is $100 million, but the whole project is about $100 million. So if you're talking about demolition of a roller coaster, depending on the size, could be about $5 million. Well, that's what I'm thinking for Kumba. Construction, about another $5 million. Then you have your electrical, your plumbing, your building infrastructures can be anywhere from about $5 to $10 million. So that's leaving us roughly about $40 to $60 million for an attraction. And if we're looking at a Giga Coaster, that's right in that price range. So we're hoping that it's going to be a Giga Coaster. It could be a couple different rides and whatnot. Still haven't officially heard what it's going to be, but we are going to get an announcement from Busch, I would expect, pretty soon. But I'm thinking, and I've also been hearing, that it could be the longest, tallest, fastest Giga Coaster that we have anywhere. So we're talking well over 350 feet possibly, over 100 miles an hour possibly, and well over a mile long. And if that's the case, I cannot wait for Kumba's Revenge. So fingers crossed, we are indeed getting the Giga. That thing has been a rumor literally since I was working here, and I was an opening supervisor of Cheetah Hunt, if that tells you anything. So that has been a rumor for a very long time. I just hope it's happening finally. Congo River Rapids is closed today. Why? It's July, it's boiling hot, and you already got rid of one of your water rides, so why is the other one closed? Not sure, but yeah, it's closed. Right next to the Jungala market, we have this area blocked off, and this is for a scare zone. It's been like this for several years, but it's usually very, very dark in here, smoky, foggy, a lot of scare actors too, so another scare zone coming soon. And this is new since our last visit. Busch Flyers used to be over in Pantopia, is now over here. And then we have the kids train over here, the Jungala Express. So Jungala Express, and then the old Red Baron plane. Sleepy kitty. Very sleepy. Wild Oasis. Formerly Jungala. And it was repurposed, redone, has all sorts of new color. It's kind of funny. I have not been here since this has been open. Looks gorgeous though. Sky ride over here. And we have a bunch of work walls around the former Flume ride. We can see right there, sign says preparing for future development. Let's check out some of the events here at Busch Gardens. So we have Summer Nights currently happening until August 9th. Beer Fest is starting in a couple days, July 25th through August 30th. Then we have Howl Scream September 11th through November 1st, select nights, weekends. Then we have Spooktacular also for the kids, September 5th through November 1st. Then we have Christmas Town, November 14th through January 4th. New banner right here. This is a new adventure coming soon. Former entry area for Flume, all decorated for summer nights. You can see it's themed music. We got dance parties in here. Disco balls up in the trees. Sheikah over there. Tigress, currently showing a 20-minute wait. In prior Howl Screams, we've had a haunted house over this way, back over by that rock structure. I'm hoping we're getting another one this year. Lorry Landing, currently in operation, but one of the walkways over here, it has a split. You can go to the right or left. Well, apparently you can't go to the right anymore. Time to get another fix of my pink chickens. How can you tell when it's a hot day at the park? When all the pink chickens are in the pool. And of course I want to go see my roos. Anywhere there's shade, you will find the roos. It's too dang hot today. Now we are heading into the bird gardens area of the park. We can see the signage right there for Beer Fest, starting this weekend. Food and drink booths are all over the place. They're getting set up for it. The Smokin' Samurai. And then we have the beer garden right there. Normally we have live music in there. That's neat. Festival walkway. You'll find more food booths down that way and drinks for Beer Fest. Gwazi area of the park. And there's Iron Gwazi. Unfortunately right now it is down, so I'm not going to be able to catch a ride on it today. That's alright. Next time. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. It was good to get my last ride on Kumba and take a lap around the park and see everything that has changed. Again, it has been a very long time since I was last here. With Kumba's Revenge happening and demolition of Kumba, well, I have a feeling I'm going to be here a lot more. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.